in doing my cleaning. I say, don't worry. I just say, I drop the cleaning down. Yes, so guys, I was just trying to mop the floor where I've already aspirated. So guys, learn how to teach your children, also how to do what you are doing. Don't leave them to bed to sleep. When there is weekend, there is no school, put them to work, put them to action in their house. Check their clothes, let them arrange their room themselves. Then you go and check it. Don't be leaving them like that. If you're in the house, or if you want to go to business side, or you're going to work, let them know that before you come, if they don't clean, you will not buy them this, you will not buy. Promise them. Children need promise. And then you, at times, you give them so that they will be doing those things. There is a way to use to catch children, to hold them, and so that they will be learning those things. When you're cooking, even in the kitchen, call your child, even a boy child, that come and stand and cook. Some of the days, and also teach them, say, you go dey cook, so as I dey do am like this, and so I don't teach my pikin. Some day they be na e dey aspirate, me I dey clean. You see, so that thing will be custom for a head. Than say, ma dey as I dey paint my pikin. When you paint am, painting spoil the child. If you paint your child that you don't want your child to do this thing I'm doing like this, or you don't want to teach the child, you don't want to show him to, my child will not clean. My sister, my brother, you're making a mistake, because that's the best thing to do, to teach your child, so that tomorrow, inside the same house, she will be cleaning, or he will be cleaning, before she moves to her own place tomorrow when she is big or he is big. He will be doing the same thing, that my mommy taught me this, my father taught me this. So you have to teach your child, so that he will copy, or she will copy from you. Not copying bad things, not copying that my mother will just sit and eat, just leave dishes there. Tell your children should not eat inside the kitchen, and not inside their room. Because most children, if you don't tell them, they will go and eat inside their room, carry their plate, go and eat inside their room. And then they will be waiting for you to come and remove. Some of the mothers, they go and remove those dishes. That's rubbish. You have to teach your child not to go and eat. There is a sitting room. Even if you're having the one room, there is a small table that you can eat. He eats and go and keep the table. So my people, now that I don't tire now, I say ma give una happiness. Talk, 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 talk. So guys, now so you get for the do. And then you tell them how they fit arrange their clothes dem, make dem no begin scatter am for room. Some pikin dey enter their room, na so everywhere don scatter. Pants dey here, this one dey here. Mommy dey no get time, papa dey no get time. So have time for your children. Tell them, the ones that are already like adolescents, teach them, because soon they will be adult. They get to know all those things. They have to clean this. Some pikin they don't know how to clean. They find a house girl, house boy, they make they can't clean. Or they go dey pay service from some side